Hey guys, it's Cutie, and in this video we're gonna play Cookie Fever and going in here. And I take 100. Okay, how much is that? I don't know. I'm just gonna go out here. So, go there. I can't come in here. Wait, now I did come in. So this is just loading. Take a long time. And and it's done. So we'll go on one now. So now they're gonna load again, and this is my best game. So loading, 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 and now first you do that. I need to do it fast now, fast enough, fast. So one more, then you're gonna there. The coffee and stuff. Wait and wait and wait. I take one more. It's done. I need one more. Then I'm gonna take two. What? I just can't do this. I'm gonna take the coffee first. And then I need to I just can take so take one more and one more there, and now I can take now I can take coffee. So this is so fun over and this. Take one more there. There. I just gonna go on like this. So that fast. Okay. So I'm gonna take one more. Now there's two there. And they come one more. And I'll take one more there. And a little coffee and done. I want to look on that much done. So like coffee there. So yeah, I take that person first. If yeah. Now we're gonna put there and you next time.